Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to unfold a new play to earn meets meme coin out there, which has not yet gone live, but is already boasting huge appetite from many investors across the globe. So just want to uncover really what's going on with meme market at the moment. We can see we're down from $65 billion to $57.6 billion in terms of the overall meme coin valuation here. That covers every single chain out there. And we can see on the 24 hours, some meme coins are dipping ever so slightly, but it's nothing really to actually worry about, in my opinion. It's just a small corrective phase in the markets. And if you've spent enough time in these markets, you understand that post Bitcoin halving, it does indeed take a while to see the catalyst, to really see things pick up and move. So we could be looking at another 3, 4, 5, even 6 months before we see that happen. And I do think it'll be towards the end of 2024 that we do see the entire market boom. At the moment, TVL wise, chains are still looking good, like Ethereum. TVL is up, Binance Smart Chain, the TVL is up, Arbitrum also up. So many chains that are also, seeing meme coins get built on and deployed on. They're still growing in terms of their total value locked, and also the volume and transaction fees that are being generated on them. So this is overall good. This means developers are building, new projects are launching, and money is staying in the industry as opposed to coming out of the industry. So the coin is Play Doge right here. The Play Doge, the best play to earn Doge companion game. They just hit $3.643 million raised, which means the price of this coin has just gone up to $0.00506. How awesome is that? In 1 day, 22 hours, the price will spike up again. So if you want to get that best price point, you got to be quick. But remember, this is not financial advice. Now, Play Doge, really cool project. You can buy it by connecting your MetaMask wallet, your hot wallet, convert either Ethereum, Binance BNB, or tether into your Play tokens, and you can actually swap between ERC20 and BEP20 networks here. So fantastic, vibrant, fun looking ecosystem. You can actually see you've got the snippet here, a little teaser of the application of the game itself, because it is going to be a game ultimately. The heart of this is a game, but it also has that Dogecoin flair to it, that Doge character, giving it that sort of meme, sort of pump mental factor. And you can see phase 3 here suggests a marketing pump with the first centralized exchange listings happen, and then a mini game beta will happen, and then phase 4 you're going to see the app release, launch of mini games, and then further centralized exchange listings. So it really does look good. The token itself has play to earn utility, it's got functionality, it's got earning mechanisms, it's got utility, it's also got staking with 347% PA at the moment, and 54.1 million of these tokens are currently staked in. So 54.1 million tokens with 4.7 billion being sold for the pre-sale. That's quite a large chunk. You're looking at an okay percentage of the total supply already being staked in, because people are choosing to compound those rewards. Of course, not financial advice. Locking in liquidity is obviously a risky thing. So, really be sensible if you're staking and consider the risks that do come with it. But this is a really cool ecosystem. It's simple, it's colorful, it's straight to the point, and they have a good roadmap. And overall, it looks like a good project here. You can see 3,820 followers. Play Doge, your play to earn Tamagotchi themed Doge companion. Embrace the 90s nostalgia. So, oh yeah, look at that. We have a new tweet over here from an hour ago. Finally, we have a few other funny tweets going on. Yeah, you can see this is good. Would honestly like to just see this coin go absolutely crazy when it launches. Obviously getting quite a lot of hype. We've got a Zelda here that they're also spinning on and just having a little play with, and over $3.5 million raised here for Play Doge, which is huge, really, really huge. Now, Techopedia, I saw an article here kind of doing a price prediction on Play Doge and the potential price that it could hit. So 0.00502 is the current price. They think that the potential high could be up to 0.12, so that's delivering a 20x. Of course, that's all subjective. 2025, they think up to 25-ish x, and then a 50x, I think that is, by 2030, which would be absolutely insane to see. Definitely would make it one of the top play to earn and meme coins out there in the cryptocurrency space. And of course, just doing research on the token, you can see there's a lot of people talking about it. People like Matthew Perry as well, big influencer, well-respected sort of key opinion leader within the space. Also talking about Play Doge and kind of going on how it's a bullish thing, and it could be something good to be looking at. So check out the Play Doge project down below if you want to consider grabbing some tokens. You know, you never know what can happen with crypto. You can flip 1k into 10k sometimes, and sometimes you can flip 10k into 100k. You just never know what will happen. And yeah, of course, do your own due diligence, do your own research, make sure you understand what you're getting into and exactly what the utility and fundamentals are. There is a white paper that you guys can read right here. So make sure you do also read that white paper so you can understand exactly what the project is about, the storyline, and the opportunity that you are seeing here. Thanks for watching. Stay crypto safe and bye for now. Remember, this is not financial advice, and always have fun and respect the crypto volatility. See you soon.